You get a good picture if I'm coming around the corner.
Yeah. So Joe and I are way up ahead here, and now we look for Princess.
How are we doing back there?
I haven't seen any snow fly.
Yeah, it's early.
We're holding Claude up though, so I don't know if that's a good idea.
Joel's not getting in very good directions.
Joel thinks he's so good.
Yeah, Al's not giving him good directions.
Let's have a bake-off, Joel. I'll show you.
Are your muscles atrophying yet? How are you making out here?
That's encouragement. That's encouragement.